We take essential oxygen for granted. But without oxygen, we can't exist. Eutrophication of lakes and oceans is a severe global problem. Without oxygen in the sea, marine life can't exist. Phosphorus is released, causing algae blooming and toxic cyanobacteria. Let's take a look at the bottom of the Baltic Sea. Cod have become smaller and fewer, many of them also suffering from a host of diseases. Large bottom areas in the Baltic Sea have no oxygen at all. Only bacteria can live here. ECOMB ocean recycles can now supply oxygen to the Dead Sea bottoms. This is the new patented mobile technology. Wind turbines drive the boat forward. No external energy and no emissions. Microbubbles of oxygen are injected and completely dissolve in the water.
Marine life starts to come back immediately after oxygen has been supplied to the dead bottom sea. At the same time, phosphorus will be bounded to the bottom layer. Therefore, oxygenation methods are quite promising to restore the sea.
Wind turbines on ships work very well. The turbine pushes the ship forward and the generator makes electricity for the propeller of the ship. We have tested and verified this system of a wind turbine and a ship, and the results are very good.
I have designed this first fully electric ferry that's operating here in Stockholm for almost 5 years now without any problem. And I will be very happy to help Ocean Recycle with their new boat.
The new patented technology, mobile oxygenation from ECOMB Ocean Recycle, can cost-effectively solve the problems of oxygen depletion, algae blooming, and formation of cyanobacteria. Make this happen. We can bring back marine life. Be part of our crowdfunding project verifying mobile oxygenation with a new boat. Learn more